Hey, what's going on? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we just arrived in Dusit Thani Pattaya, and we got this place to ourselves for the next 3 days. Basically, I'll be doing a little behind the scene vlog for this whole shooting that we're doing for Dusit International. And for this, I'm using my new Panasonic Lumix S1H, and hopefully gonna get a lot of cinematic shots of this beautiful resort out here in Pattaya. The goal is to film pretty much everything in 4:2 10-bit and then get the most out of the color grading process in post. So I hope it turned out really good. Stick until the end of the video and enjoy. Okay guys, so this part of the lobby is apparently closed for shooting. We're here with our first set. Here's what it looked like. So she's gonna do a sawadi when they arrive in the hotel. We got this light set up right here. The director himself, Sawadi Kap, Suta. And big camera James over there. Alright, let's see how it looks. 3, 2, 1, go. And cut. Alright, just nailed it. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, action. Alright guys, here is the morning squad. We are ready with the drone out here. I'm gonna fly it up, get some aerial shots. Let's get it. Turns out we're shooting most of our shots with the A7 Mark III, and I did some of the shot in low light last night, basically using my Panasonic S1H. So there's gonna be just a tad bit of footage from the Panasonic. And here is the crew right here. Alright, so we just wrapped up our shot at the beach. We had them two running, and then Peter was doing some close-ups with the Sony 50mm lens, and I was using the other 24-105 f4.0 lens. I was on this gimbal trying to get some like action shots of them running on the beach.
How was the shot?
I think we nailed the shot. 10 out of 10. I hope. To nail some really nice shots over there at the beach. So yeah, how do you feel?
Tired.
How do you feel about the shot? A little bit tired. I made them run a lot. What about you?
Tired.
Tired?
Also.
Okay, time to get some food. Breakfast time?
Yeah.
Breakfast time? Yeah. Alright, doing a little shot here in internal garden. Look at that. A lot of fishes and indoor waterfall. Close up and follow shot, and I also did another one of them walking past that. There's a little bridge over there. Yep.
3, 2, 1, action.
And cut. Alright, that was great. So a little quick internship tip: when you do video, make sure your strap is stretched out tight all the way, so that case
It's not shaking.
yeah, so this way you get like less shake out of your camera. Okay. Alright guys, so I got my Panasonic S1H here set up for the time lapse, and while doing the time lapse I'm also flying the Mavic up in the sky to get some nice aerial shots. So that is pretty much the end of the trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the little behind the scene video. Also, I'm gonna put a little montage of what we filmed here as an unofficial edit. Are you guys ready to go back home?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content in the future. Until next time, peace out.